friends, so this week I recently got a very large order of my Believe mirrors, and I needed to update one of my workbenches. So I thought I would do that together. I've drafted it out. I've made it, 3D modeled it, and I'm even putting together like a full plan with instructions if you want to make your own. So my current table saw is great. The problem is it is settled. So it's not perfectly square anymore, and I have no real way to adjust it other than shims. And so what I wanted to do was create, and I also recently got a router at a garage sale for like $15. It's an older one. However, I've wanted a router table because it helped with what I'm doing as far as making the molding for these mirrors. And so I decided to build out this router table saw combo bench that I'm making to attach to my current surface so that I'm not gluing stuff on top of my table saw either, which ran into a problem with the last project I was working on. So that's what we're working on this week. We're going to be putting together a table saw router combo. If you haven't, please do like and subscribe. That helps the channel and see other people see it work. So here it is. So that is the table saw router. Again, in the description, there will be the plans, a place where you can get them, and also tools and supplies that I use. There'll also be affiliate links down at the bottom, so you can take a look at those if they're interesting to you. If this has been interesting and enjoyable for you or helpful, please like and subscribe, share with your friends. It certainly helps out the channel and also helps out folks find my work. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.